Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane called the bottlenose, and it's going to look like this. When you fly this plane, it spins around like this, and it goes straight, and it goes pretty fast. So if you're looking for that, you should be making this. Alright, so let's get started. So to start off, you're going to want to take one piece of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. And then open it up and then fold this to the middle like this. And then the other side to the middle. Then you're going to take these two sides, or corners, and fold them in to the middle. And then you're going to open it up and fold the top down until it meets the end of those two diagonal folds right there. And just fold it straight across. Next, you're going to take this right here, this little flap, open it up, and just fold it as far as it can go right here. And so the top of it is even with that. Just fold it straight down. You're going to do the same thing for the other side.